video, I would like to take you through how you can create KDP account in order to be able to publish book in Amazon and make a bit of monetization and cash. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to get into your favorite browser. Then, let me maximize it. You need to search for kdp.amazon.com, then hit enter. So you shall be taken into this interface. In case you don't have an account, just click join to join KDP. Then you need to enter your name, then enter your email here. Then you need to enter a password. So just enter a password here. So let me enter my password. Let me re-enter it again here. Then I will just hit create a KDP account. So I'm being told that a one-time password have been emailed to me, which is the OTP. So I just need to come here and check it. Okay, so I have been able to receive my OTP from Amazon. So I just click here. I just click above the highlight and copy it, and then come and paste it here and authenticate it, and now create an Amazon account. So it just takes some minutes to do this. So from here now, you need to read this agreement which you are entering with KDP or Amazon. Then you need to click agree. Then what you need to do in order to upload your book, you need to come here where we have create new title or series. So we need to create an ebook. Since the book which I want to publish, I just want to publish a key story book which I want to be selling in Amazon. So I just click create ebook. So what I need to do, I need to input the title of the book. So you need to choose your primary language. So the language which can be supported by KDP are here. So they can be able to support multiple languages, but I'm conversant with English. So I need to choose the book title, which is the title is the Retro Star Who Lost His Shine. Then subtitle is optional, so we can leave it at that point. So we can continue and come to where we have series. So in case you want to create a series of this book, you want to grow it as a series, you can click add, but I don't have other ones, so I don't need to create any series. So edition number, it's optional. So what we need to come here is to come here and enter the primary author of the book. So the primary of the author of the book is Simon. So then we come here. You can be able to input the name of the other contributors. So you can either input the other contributors as a co-author. Maybe I can enter her name here. So from there, you can continue and come and give a summary of this book, which you will be able to attract your customers. So this is like your selling point. So you need to have a very enticing description. So in order to write this description, I don't recommend the handwritten description. You can use AI to configure your description. So I had created mine using the Meta AI. So I just get it from WhatsApp, and I can come here and highlight it to this point, then click copy and come and paste it here. You can do some adjustments in case you want to bold some parts, and in case you want to do some adjustments about the font and the appearance, but I feel comfortable with this appearance, so we can continue and come here down where we have publishing, right? So you need to declare your publishing rights. So this is my own copyright. I hold the necessary rights. So you need to specify if your content contain any sexual implicit image or title. In my case, it's a no, but if it is yes, in your case, you can select yes. So what we need to select again, we need to come here and select the minimum age of the people who can be able to view your book, though it is optional, but it is important. So my book can be viewed by from babies to people who are above 18. They can read my book. From there, you need to select the primary marketplace, but I recommend you maintain it as Amazon.com. From there, you need to choose the category of the book which you have created or where you want it to be marketed, the primary market or the primary audience. So to select the category which I want to add, the first category is this book is a children's ebook technically. The subcategory, this book is technically made for, let me show you. Let me check what is made for and which growing up and fact of, right? So I need to select the subcategory, which is the friendship, social skill, and school life. Then it is just an inspirational book, which is showing the value of kindness. Then, so I would recommend you read this book when it is uploaded into Amazon. Just ensure you read it. It's a very nice book. You can just save the category. Then you can scroll downward and enter some keywords. So these keywords, they are so important. They help you to optimize the search engine optimization to recommend your book. So they are so important. So we had created also these keywords using the Meta AI. So they are here. You can see they are here. So I just enter them in those spaces. So you can create these keywords just using AI. Don't hit yourself too hard on the wall to do these things. The AI is here to save us. So we need to get back into the KDP interface. Then just enter some these keywords. So the first keyword is Amazon Kids. Then I can come and enter the next one, which is the positive thinking. Then I can input the other one as the RE readers, since it introduced your child to the habit of reading. Then we can input another one as bedtime stories, for kid. So you should not space them. So these are just like tags. So you need to write them as concrete. So we need to have here, we can enter another keyword as kids story. Then we can come here and enter another one, which is the real star. Then we can come here and finish with the inspirational story. And then now I think we are through with this section, with these Kiddo ebook details. So I don't think we need to add something. So what we need to do, we can save and continue. So it does take a lot of time. You just need to be. So from here, now this is the section where you upload your manuscript, or in short, the paper or the ebook which you want to publish in the KDP, which is the Kiddo Direct Publishing. So I will upload my manuscript, which is here. So I'll save it here. Let me show you. It is at KDP uploads. Then I'll just upload it here. So you should just give it some second to upload based on the speed of your computer and the length of the book. So when we take less than 2 minutes, it will be uploaded in the software. So, and we can be able, so the manuscripts have been uploaded. So in case there is an error or it is not formatted in the right way. So mine is in the Word configuration, but even PDF configuration is accepted for documents which have been written in English. But I'll show you how, in case you need a lesson on how you can be able to edit this manuscript in order to be uploaded into the KDP account, I can show you. but you can just maintain it as Word document, since I know most of you are conversant with the Word configuration. So from them, we can scroll downward, and I know my manuscript is an amazing table of content. This is because this is a very short story. I didn't think it is necessary to input it, but you can input the table of content in your book. From them, we have something we call digital right management. It protects the right of the copyright holder and limit the unauthorized access and distribution of the content. So I don't need to apply it. So I say no, don't apply the DRM in my content. So you can share it. So here we have two options of the Kido ebook cover. So you can use the Kido ebook cover provided by ebook by Kido, or you can upload your cover. So I just choose to upload mine. So I just upload your file. So I just upload my file. Then I'll come to where I have download. So it is here. So I just upload the file, the cover which I've created for myself. So I can show you the cover. It is here. So I felt comfortable with it rather than using this one. So the cover is here. So I felt this configuration comfortable with me. So since you can configure how your cover you want it to be rather than the restricted one by the Kido. So just I would recommend you create your own cover using the necessary software, maybe Canva. From there, you can scroll downward where we have the AI generated content. So Amazon does not penalize for AI generated content, but it is good it is necessary you give them the information if you are using AI to create your content. So in this case, in short, they are collecting data about how you have been able to create your content. So in case there is some AI elements, you should notify the Canva software, not Canva software, the KDP software or KDP or the Amazon. So what I do, I just say yes. Then some text have been generated using AI. So I say that this is some section I have used AI, but there is extensive editing in the section where I have used AI. So it's just direct ChatGPT, and then I say I have used the ChatGPT to do it. I have used the ChatGPT. Then some images, I have not created my own images. I have used the AI to come up with some images. So I have used DALL-E. So the translation, I have also translated some section. And when I have translated some section, what I have used the Google Translator. Translate. Then I can continue and come to where we have the online preview of the quality. So before you continue to the next page, you can launch the previewer. So when you launch the previewer, it will try to give you a preview of your book before you publish it. So you need to visualize so that you verify if everything is visible. So we can use the quality panel to click okay. I will dismiss all and show you the book. So this is let me upload it here. So this is the cover book of this is the cover of our storybook. So here we have the abstract. Here we have the storybook now. It is here. You can see it is clear. The images can be visualized. The images are clear, and I feel happy. My book have been uploaded successfully without a lot of mistakes. So it is here, until the edge. So this is a very small book, which is around 16 pages, since it is made for even children to read. I love simplicity. So from there, we can get back to KDP or the uploading process. So what we can do, we can scroll downward. So it looks like you have uploaded a new manuscript or a book cover. Yes, I have done it. I don't guess I have done it. Then we can save and continue. Save and continue. From there, now we are at the Kido ebook pricing, which I have not started. So in case you want to limit your book to be sold only by KDP or Amazon, you need to select here, enroll my book in Amazon. This is the store which you'll be using to sell your book. You'll not be using any other online stores rather than this one. So from there, you need to come to where we have the territories. So I don't think you need to limit the territory, but in case you need, in your case, you can limit the territory. So you can select the royalty plan. So in my case, the royalty plan, when I'm launching my book, I usually use the royalty plan of allowed 35%. So the price which I want to launch the book with is $1, since this is the first book which I'm uploading. So it is $1. $1 is enough. So, and you are through. So what you need to do is just to publish your book. So I know you have noticed that this publish option is not showing, but this is because we have not completed creating our account, since I didn't create my account here. So when we create now our account, that's when you'll be able now to publish your book. So I chose to first upload the video before creating an account, since in the African continent and in a bit of Asian continent, uploading books into creating account into Amazon has been problematic. But in the video, which I put the link in the description, or which will be appearing here below, I'll be showing you how you can be able to create your account without using the contact OTP verification, which is one-time password which is sent into your contacts. It have been hectic to receive these to receive this code in your phone. So we can try and create our account and see. So let us save and continue. You can save and continue, and show you where the problem is coming from. So create your account. My account. So I have received a verification code, an OTP again. So let me get back into my email and see that OTP. So let me ensure I'm in my email. So Amazon. So let me select this OTP, copy, and come back to KDP. So we want to show you the problem with which is occurring when creating your account, so that you can be able to publish this book. So let me check again. I made a mistake. So let me enter the is here. So let me copy it. Need to copy these one-time password and paste it here and submit it before I request for resetting. Hope it have not expired. So let me enter my password. So I'll be showing you how you can create. Okay, so from here, let's try and get the OTP to verify our account, and I show you the error which is occurring. So I'm from Kenya. So according to my research, I think this problem is in the African continent and of a bit of the Asian continent. To do this thing, A20